Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm showing you a simple fried rice recipe. I'm using leftover rice, chicken breast, onion, vegeta, paprika, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric, onion powder, and black pepper. The full list plus measurements used is in the description box down below. Turmeric powder ends up in most of my fried rice recipes because my kids think fried rice must be yellow, so feel free to skip it. I heat some olive oil and add the chicken. I add a little salt and black pepper to give the chicken a bit of flavor. I keep stirring until there are no traces of pink left in the chicken and it is well browned. Then I place the cooked chicken in a plate and set it aside. I now add the onions and 2 tablespoons of oil, then in goes the capsicums. I keep stirring for a minute and add more oil as needed. I add the vegetables, cook them for a minute before adding the spices. These spices and quantities used are listed in the description below. To retain a little moisture in the vegetables, I add a little water, then add the tomatoes. To ensure the vegetables are evenly cooked, I stir the vegetables occasionally while adding water in little increments as needed. Once the vegetables are cooked, I add the cooked chicken back in, stir for a minute and set aside about a quarter of this. This creates room in the wok to fry the rice without mashing it and allows even distribution of the vegetables throughout the rice. I now go in with the rice and gently stir while breaking apart any clumps in the rice. Continue stirring until everything is well combined. At this point, I add back the vegetables that I had removed earlier and keep mixing until everything has beautifully come together. At this point, taste and adjust salt if needed. This tasted great as it was, so I did not add any more salt. Our chicken fried rice is now ready to serve and the kitchen smells amazing. If you try this recipe and love it, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. This will help improve the visibility of this channel. If you like cooking content, consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell to be alerted whenever I put up a new recipe. Thanks for stopping by and I hope to see you all in my next video.